Okay, guys, I am live. Hi, everyone. Let's settle down. Let's settle down. धीरे धीरे करके एक एक इंसान आ रहा है and a lot of mean people over here are coming on my new account. That is very sweet of you. Hi, Ruhi. Hey, so it's been a long time since I've come live, and this is my and this is the account that I wanted to come to. This is the account that I'm active in, and can't tell you the reason. You guys will get to know very soon. But yes, I'm finally here, and I am enjoying. Hi everyone. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Okay, you guys must have had a lot of questions, but let me tell you to start with. ये 15 मिनट है हमारे पास. हम सिर्फ 15 मिनट का लाइव वीडियो करने वाले हैं. ओके और ये 15 मिनट का सेशन है. सो प्लीज जो भी सवाल पूछ सकते हो, गो हैड. आई एम हियर टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, stay for these 15 minutes. Stay for this 15 minutes, and then post 15 minutes you can do anything that you want. You can get back to your routine. But ये 15 मिनट आप मुझे अपनी जिंदगी के मुझे दे दो, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. So yes, I am doing all good. I'm awesome, and I'm just enjoying every day as it comes, and I'm shooting, and I'm just having fun over here. It's good to have fun with everyone. Okay, so please, since we don't have much time, हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, तो क्या हम सवाल जवाब करें और एक इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी भी करते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा शो के बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. ये अभी तक आप जान चुके होंगे, ये शो नेटफ्लिक्स पे है और आपको बहुत जल्द नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखने को मिलेगा. लेकिन मैं इतना बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस शो पे मैंने अपने कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर जाकर मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है. टू मेनी एम्बैरेसिंग थिंग्स, टू मेनी ऑकवर्ड थिंग्स, too many bold things which I've never done in my life, and you guys will love it. You guys will enjoy it, every piece of it, no matter what I've done, but you guys will get entertained because I've given my best every single day. So I'm sure you guys will come to know. और आप मुझे सवाल पूछ सकते हो, बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. वेल, मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि अभी राइट नाउ आई एम एंजॉइंग एवरी डे, एंड द करंट फेज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू, आई एम एंजॉइंग इट. हाय भार्गवी. हाय. Hi, please take my name. Hi Sulaksha. Hi. Okay, hi Pooja. Hi. You will miss Erica. Well, Erica is a good friend of mine. I am sure we are in touch, and I will soon get in touch with her. But I hope she does perfectly fine, and she's doing great. Who's your favorite Marvel film? Well, my favorite Marvel film will be Thor Ragnarok, the recent one, and of course the Avengers. All the best for your show. Thank you so much, and I just need your support, and I need this 15 minutes from you because I don't know. I mean, मैंने कभी आप लोगों से कभी ऐसे कोई रिक्वेस्ट नहीं की, because आप लोग मेरे लिए हमेशा से रहे हैं. आप लोग ने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया है, मुझे प्यार दिया है, बट कभी मैंने आपसे कुछ एक रिक्वेस्ट नहीं की. आज करता हूँ, प्लीज. So let me entertain you guys. You guys will tell me what questions you want to ask. I will try my best to answer in the best positive way. And please take my name, Sahista. Sahista, there. I took your name. Okay. Hi. Hey, Foxy Legs. Hi. Hi, Akshita. Hi. Miss your food pics. Yes, I have been wanting to post a lot of food pictures. Don't worry. I will post it. Amongst the boys there, who is more close to you? Where I'm close to everyone. And Akash is a great guy. And when it's gonna complete? Very soon. I think by Diwali. Yes. And you guys will get to see it very soon. Okay. Hi, Khanfiza. Hi. So a lot of people are asking me about season 4. Here's the big news. I'm going to announce it very soon, and it's going to be very good, and 2022 will be rocking ahead. That's what I can tell you. But right now I can't name the show on this platform. I can't say anything regarding the show, but you guys, the one that you're waiting for, season 4 is coming. Anyway, coming back, my name is Rahman. Hi, I love you, yaar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tell us about your web series. Well, I can't say much, but I am enjoying every day. It's a reality show, and I am just being here as Parth Samthan and live. I'm enjoying every day. I am giving something that is new for me, for my life, from my life, and I'm seeing, and I'm learning every day. मैं बहुत अच्छे से सीख रहा हूँ. मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करना सीख रहा हूँ. मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पर आके मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर हो चुका हूँ. So as you can see, it's a nice feeling over here. It's a very different feeling, very complete different feeling, but I'm enjoying it. When are you meeting Pooja? Well, I'll be meeting Pooja once I get out from here. Yes. Okay. So I'm a crazy. Yes. So who else? Who else? Any tour of your room? Okay, that's what I'll do. So guys, let me take you a tour. Let me give you a tour of my room. This is the room that I live in for now. But every day we keep changing our rooms based on what we earn. हम लोग जो पैसे कमाते हैं उससे हम ये इस रूम में जी सकते हैं. तो ये फिलहाल के लिए अभी ये मेरा रूम है. But I'll show you different rooms. I'll give you a tour of the house. Thank you so much. But with all your blessings, I want to win this. And this is another room. As you can see, it's a messed up, but it's another deluxe room. Yeah, pretty kick-ass, right? And yeah, let me show you the best room over here. 1 second. ये कहाँ है? Okay. Yes. This is supposedly the suite over here. Currently, Wagmita is staying here. Wagmita is a very different energy. You can see it. Ah! Okay. And we have a chilling lounge over here. And a massage chair. Guys, I love massage and this is what I want. Thank you so much. So this is a complete luxury room. Yes, back here, as you can see, this is my staircase. Yeah, this is the first floor, and that's how we go to the ground floor as well. हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं अभी, फर्स्ट फ्लोर से नीचे. ये रहा हमारा डाइनिंग स्पेस है ये. यहाँ पर हम लोग सब बैठकर खाना खाते हैं. ओके. और ये हमारा ड्राइंग रूम है गाइस. You see this? इनकी एनर्जी is something to die for. Oh! And this is another part of the room. It's called the bunk room. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर बेड्स हैं. ये मुझे हॉस्टल की याद दिलाते हैं. मैं यहाँ पर सोता हूँ. I sleep over here. Sometimes I spend my nights over here, and it's amazing. कुकिंग नो एक्चुअली कुकिंग हमें करनी नहीं पड़ती. थैंकफुली कुकिंग हम खाना हमें मिल जाता है और लेकिन हमें कमाना पड़ता है. तो हर चीज़ हम जो कमाएंगे वो हमें मिलेगी. बट येस, थैंक यू सो मच. विथ ऑल योर लव एंड सपोर्ट देन ओनली आई कैन विन. एंड मैं यहाँ पे जितना कंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ उतनी कोशिश करता हूँ. बट पता नहीं मतलब कभी कभी मैं हार जाता हूँ, कभी कभी मैं जीतता हूँ, कभी कभी मैं बीच में रहता हूँ. बट कोशिश ये है कि मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखूँ. तो बस मैं सीख रहा हूँ और बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे. Okay, what else? Please wish for my birthday. Yeah, Kapadia. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday. Okay, love from Vizag. Thank you, yaar, so much. Thank you. Arav ji, please take my name. Winnie. There, I took your name. Okay. Anyone, any questions that you have, please go ahead. How do you earn? Well, we just compete, and based on that, whoever comes first, second, third, that's how they rank, and that's how we get paid. You're a star. Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you, Palak. Thank you so much. Positivity, your name. Yes, I have tried spreading positivity as much as I can on this show as well. I have bonded pretty much with all of them, and they are crazy people. They are very nice and very talented influencers over here. But over here, I need your support for the next, I think 7-8 minutes. Yeah. So the next 7-8 minutes, please try to hook on. Please try to be there as much as you can. And guys, आप चाहते हैं कि मैं कपड़े बदलूं? हाँ, सबके सामने? No? Okay. Yes. Please keep your energy. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prathana. Thank you, Trisha. Thank you so much. Please take my mom's name. She's a big fan. Thank you, Anshu Jolie. Yes, there, I took your name. All the best. Thank you. You and Rahul look cute together. Thank you, yaar. Thank you, Pani Forever. Thank you so much. She's a cutie and she's a Barbie doll. Please take my name. Hi, Soumya. Hi. Okay, you make them. Thank you so much. Okay. Hey, Pani. Hi, Ahmad Shireen. हार के बाद जीत है पार्थ. You're absolutely right, bro. And Parth Fandom, did you meet Neeti in Delhi? No, I couldn't meet her. I'm in Goa, but soon I'll meet her. Okay, Sanjana. Hi, there, I took your name. Okay, Baba. Yes. So this is, and you guys are asking me whether I cook. मैं खाना बनाता हूँ या नहीं? नहीं, मैं नहीं बनाता खाना, unfortunately. But fortunately for me, because I get खाना and I have to earn it. Apart from that, is a very good pool that I'll show you guys. Please take my name, Nishita. Hi, Nishita. How are you? You look awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is my gym area. As you can see, we work out over here. Yeah, this is pretty much. हम लोग रोज यहाँ पर वर्कआउट करते हैं. बहुत मजा भी आता है। यहाँ पर हमारा चिलिंग सेशन है, ओके और ये रहा हमारा बेस्ट एरिया जहां पर हम सबसे ज्यादा चिल करते हैं। दिस इज द पूल एरिया। गोवा में आके अगर पूल में आप नहीं गए तो क्या किया, तो हम लोग पूल में भी जाते हैं कभी कभी रात भर चिल करने। इट्स अ डिफरेंट वाइब। या हाय 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 एवरीवन, हाय हाय। और ये हमारा चिलिंग सेशन है, यहां पर हम बैठते हैं एज यू कैन सी। यप, this is the deck that we sit on, we chill over here, we have some conversations, crazy conversations, but we have fun. And overall, I love the vibe over here. Every day is a task, every day we have to fight it out, every day is a struggle, every day we have to achieve something, but it's amazing, the feeling is amazing. Yes, any questions? Hi Sassy, hi raat bhar chill karne. Okay Angel, thank you so much. Yeah, you're there, I settled down over here. ओके, फेवरेट एक्टिविटी ऑफ द डे। फेवरेट एक्टिविटी आई थिंक मैं उठता हूँ और ब्रेकफास्ट इज समथिंग फेवरेट एक्टिविटी। उसके बाद टास्क शुरू हो जाते हैं, फिर स्ट्रेस आ जाता है मुझे। एनी प्लान टू वर्क इन मराठी इंडस्ट्री? श्रद्धू, यस आई हैव, बट इफ आई गेट अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट आई वुड लव टू डू दैट। एनीथिंग एल्स? यस ट्विंकल, हाय देयर यू गो। ओके, हाय शिवानी, हाय। Okay guys, I have last 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes, please hold on. And I just need your attention over here. I am there to answer your questions, because you know what, I don't want to do activities over here, then I lose your मैं आपके साथ बात करना जो है वो मैं हटाना नहीं चाहता, अपने आप को डाइवर्ट करना नहीं चाहता। मैं चाहता हूं मेरी आंखें आपके पास रहें और आप मुझे देखते रहें, और आप मुझसे सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज पूछिए। ऐसी एनर्जी आपने कभी नहीं देखी होगी, दैट आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट, अबाउट माई लाइव चैट, एनी टाइम एनी डे, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इन दिस। हमेशा मैं एकदम इंट्रोवर्ट होके आराम से रिजर्व होके बात करता हूं, लेकिन यहां पर वक्त बदल चुका है, टाइम बदल चुका है, सिचुएशन बदल चुकी है, और यहां पर मैं बस बक 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 कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मेरी एनर्जी है और मुझे दिखानी है यहां पर। ओके, लव फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, थैंक यू पूनम, थैंक यू, आई हैव द बेस्ट टाइम इन लाइफ, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। विजिबल हूं या नहीं? यस पार्थियन 11, यू आर विजिबल। वांट माय नेम प्लीज? थैंक यू अग्रवाल। यशिका, am I invisible? No, Sakshi Samthan, you are not visible, and I like your surname. Okay, so true. Monica Jar, thank you so much. Thank you Lakshmi, thank you Sukanya, thank you so much. Full of energy today, yeah. Okay, you should plan fan meet in USA. We guys should get a chance. Yes, Sweta, I will definitely once I'll visit again. That is in March. Had your dinner? No, yeah, not yet. I'm really hungry, but this is my challenge, and I will make sure that I give 100%. Thank you, Shubi. Thank you so much. Thank you, yaar. Thank you for your wishes. And can you say Disha, please? Yes, there. I took your name, Disha. Yes, इतनी एनर्जी कभी नहीं देखी है ना, मैं यही कह रहा हूं कि इतनी एनर्जी मैंने कभी नहीं डाली है अपने लाइव चैट में। मैं हमेशा एक रिजर्व, आप लोग मुझे जानते ही है, मैंने हमेशा अपने नॉर्मल बात करता हूं एकदम अपने धीमे स्पेस से, बट आज मेरे पास 15 मिनट है, तो ये 15 मिनट में मुझे जीना है। ओके, okay, what else? Hi, lots of love from Riddhi. Hi, thank you so much. Rishu, your energy. Yes. Best of luck, Parthu. Thank you so much. Thank you, Payal. Thank you. Big bag. Thank you, Sayantri. Please, you will win for sure. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you. Hey, what about doing a horror film? Well, अगर मैं भूत जैसा लगता हूँ या फिर मैं डरावना जैसा लगता हूँ तो प्लीज कास्ट मी यार। प्लीज कम टू न्यू दिल्ली, नंदिका। यस आई विल। और अभी मैं आया था न्यू। डिड यू मीट स्कारलेट? यस, आई हैव मेट हर बिफोर कमिंग ऑन द शो एंड शी इज अ डार्लिंग, बट शी इज इन दुबई राइट नाउ अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बट आई विल सी हर सून। मनन स्ट्रक, I love you too, yaar. Let's just say good news coming very soon in 2022. I will give you a big news that you guys have been waiting for. Okay? Manik Malhotra और Parth Samtaran में similarity. Manik Malhotra is a guy who is very angry. He has anger management issues, and Parth is someone who is very chilled out, very relaxed. But yes, the similarity will be the passion. Both are passionate. One for music, Parth for acting. Okay, I am your biggest fan. Thank you so much. Thank you. नहीं, बहुत cute हो. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, what else? All the best. You will reach heights in your career. Thank you, yaar. Take my name for once. Yes, Somona, there I took your name. Do a negative role. Great energy. Drink some water. I will drink water after this 15 minutes for sure. Do a negative role. Yes, I will. If I get a chance, I would love to do, and I'll kill it also. Hope you win. क्या आपने मेरे नसें देखी है जब मेरी फटती है? Okay, this is nerves, Chinese nerves. See. त्रिशूल दिखता है यहाँ पर. 1, 2, 3, branched out, full. How can I help you in this show? Well, I can't tell you much, but I need your love and support. I need you to be with me always throughout the show. So please, if you can do that, it will be great. Okay? Okay, take my name. Hi, it's Arachi. Hi. Okay, guys. 15 minutes are up. almost, but I love your energy. I love that you guys were there for this 15 minutes, and trust me, whatever I could do in this 15 minutes I tried doing because I wanted to talk to you. But for now I will hang up. और 15 मिनट खत्म होने आए हैं, एंड आई होप आई गेव माई ऑल आउट, आई होप आई गेव माई एनर्जी. और अब मेरे 15 मिनट खत्म होने आए हैं, मैं बाय बोलने का टाइम आ गया आप लोगों को. लेकिन मैं बहुत जल्द आप लोगों से मिलूंगा, मे बी इस शो से बाहर निकलने के बाद. लेकिन आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट मुझे हमेशा से चाहिए थ्रू आउट द शो, एवरी सिंगल डे. ओके, आई विल बी एक्टिव ऑन दिस अकाउंट, वेरी मच active. I'll post stories, comments. Please, it's been appreciated. I read all of your comments. All your love and support. Bye bye guys, take care, and I shall see you soon. Cheers, love you. And yes, love you Parthians, love you always, and thank you for being there always. Okay, take care.